Yeah, they tryna copy the wave. They tryna copy the wave. I'm saying we started a whole new wave. Whoa, they tryna copy the wave. They tryna copy the wave. Trap, they tryna copy the wave. Too many chain like a slave. Rich forever getting paid. Money machine might break.
Wait, they tryna copy the style. Watch out, jump in the crowd. Reef on my chain, boy, how? 30 on me, swear to God, burn you down.
They tryna copy the wave. Rich forever getting paid. Broke rappers and they feeling
What
it.
are you doing? Please explain.
I ain't saying shit. You get away from me.
That's part of the charm.
No, like this, and I don't like the camera.
It's a bad combo.
I don't like the camera. It's a camera shot.
You don't like wiring, and you don't like the camera, so it's double bad.
Myself.
Look at this and tell me.
Well, technically, so it's not.
What's the technique on the spin? We got a little zip tie.
30 on me, swear to God, burn you down. I walk right into the party. Red bottoms on, how you do that? Wait, let me call bros. Ho, yeah, boy, where Rich at?
These bro nigga keep talking. Yo, bitch keep on stopping.
Come on, nigga. I know that shit lingers in the air long enough for you to do that.
I know you want that away. Wait, cool on.
Drop trying to come up. I dropped low, then I came up. I dropped low, then I came up. I went down, then I got up. Dropped that on the armor, on the block till the sun up. Tell my bitch don't wait up. I get hunting killer. I go Bryson Tiller. Shot in one a dealer. I'm a drug dealer. I'm more gay than a dealer. I'm more pills than a killer. Michael Jackson thriller. Take a eye, then I kill her. Shot in one a nigga with them rats on that nigga. Yeah, I'm a little boy that guap. Wait, I'm a little boy that kid. Yeah, I'm a little boy that guap. Wait, I'm a little boy that kid. Yeah, they wanna see me on top. Yeah, they wanna see me.
Okay, so I need to find a flat spot. Oh, you know where I can go through? What? No, I can't go through my old brake hole. I can actually. You're not gonna use it, right? Nope. No. No?
Hey, if I take off this fucking cat stand from here, then we have.
What do you mean?
We didn't really run this cat stand the way it sits like that. Right here?
Probably look good in my car.
The what?
Because we're high price right now.
Oh, yeah.
Coming off a legend.
Coming off the urban legend. It never runs. It's like brand new. You pay full price.
Basically. And powder coated and
Power coated and PVC tag on top.
it's premium.
Yep.
Oh, that's special then. I want it.
I mean, bro, if that hole fills up, we got a problem.
Yeah, I was about to say. Is
That's
that
a big,
normal?
It's a big ass cat stand too.
Yeah, it definitely wouldn't fit in mine. I don't think.
Fuck that, we'll run this one. We'll just run it like that. It's already there and it looks cool too.
I think so.
I gotta find the filter again. I wrote the partner, but I don't know where I wrote it. Okay, so we know that. So I can run compressor. Technically, it'll run. Actually, where these two are at, I can actually put the bulkhead through there. Holes are already there. I can do that. That way I can run here, run there, and then from there, goes underneath, channel through.
It ain't spit when I nut in the mouth. I hope the guy ain't kissing in the mouth. My belt Mexico.
I want to make sure that has enough pressure.
Oh, so we done the computer? There's one already back there extra I ran.
For what? For pressure?
ABI just to run for pressure. Because you want to do one for the overflow tank as pressure.
I even thought about putting it like a but I said I think it's too much up there. Like,
I mean, I can just run the little. If you put it like right there, I can run the little harness over.
Well, what I'm saying is to keep that clean.
Yeah.
I would keep that clean. If anything, the lines whenever we do the catch can stuff.
Yeah, because even if we do it there, this is. So I can just make a little plug and have it here and run it up. That one's already there for an ABI for a picture.
This is just a little thing that wasn't made for me.
Yeah. We're both of that shit.
And the Chevy logo, no problem. you gonna take the man's hard work. It does have the Chevy logo though, embossed into the carpet.
Ah, that's baller.
Because I can leave this one here and I can run another small one up, power that, and then run it up the case and run the. Because I didn't put the dome light in this. Well, I'm gonna have to do on the breakaway somewhere.
It feels like it needs, like it just belongs there. Or I could put it behind my ass.
Nah.
No, because we need to adjust it or whatever, right?
Yeah. Bitch, put it right behind your seat. You got no space.
It'd be hard to reach.
Add weight. No, I'm talking right behind the seat. No, you gotta get your hand in there. And do
Yeah, no,
Oh.
right behind it.
I say if not, we can put that back there. But I mean, at the same time too, like if we need to get to it or whatever, raise the pressure. Yeah, we can actually do it right here. I put a 90 on that gauge. Take it off at a 90. So it points straight up. Well, it's the same thing. Like you know what I'm saying on the gauge, just point it up. Yeah. Well, I can take this one off over here. Remember, I'm gonna do everything and that's the thing too. Like I can do bulkheads on the firewall or put it somewhere up there. Because all you got is 3 powers left. 3 powers left? Well, actually, that's your dome light. My bad. You have 3 left. Okay. You have 2 after you take the one for this one. So when we put the LED strip? Yeah, so if I do this one, I run both of them together. And then I run one up the cage to the LED strip, and the other one to just go to that. And ground that, and the other one to ground the cage. Ground the wire to the cage or whatever. We can just do like LED strip all the way across like that. First, when it turns on, it just fucking turns everything on. Do we do the color one? And just hit the button? Yeah. If you want to.
Do like red for photo shoot.
What is it say? Put a chandelier.
VIP.
Alright, so I just need to make a bracket for that. Well, I mean, I could use that bracket it comes with, or I could just make my own. Ow! In my head. How the fuck do you put it in here? Oh, I think it's... No, I'm trying to get it out of here. There it goes. It's like a little sequence. Alright, maybe not. Maybe it don't come out. Not yet. We have to see that. I'm trying to get it out. Oh look, it already has a hole there too for a drain. Cool. Oh. That Chevy logo. Can't really see it though, I know.
Black. That's cool though. What's under there, like foam?
What?
How did he make the Chevy?
Oh, wood.
Solid.
Solid.
Want me to put it somewhere?
No, I'm gonna make the bracket for it right now. I'm gonna make a double bracket so that way it doesn't break the wood, and I can actually rip start it. So it'll grab the aluminum from the bottom and it won't pull too much on the wood. What? What?
I had it right over his shoulder and he just...
This time I have it on. Yeah, let me take this out because it's I swear to God, you try to teabag me, motherfucker. I didn't feel shit, nigga. That's the problem. Okay. I feel that heat and that force. Oh, fuck that, take this. That was actually easier.
Yeah, it goes in a lot easier coming out.
But actually, it's pretty good. You can still get to this, turn this. Grab me some blue tape, please.
That thing makes a flame, right? It's like a torch.
Yeah, but it's on that. It's not on the torch right now.
Not the one.
Oh, you gonna bolt the plate flat on it?
Yeah, I'm gonna put the tape on it. But instead of using the hose that bends to mount, I'm gonna put rip struts on there. I'm gonna try to. Or I can just cut through the wood and the carpet and just mount it like that, huh?
That too.
There it goes. You got it now.
be okay. So you can get to it here. You can get to this. Pull that. Whatever.
200 mile an hour certified?
I don't know. We'll see.
I think it looks good. Like you said earlier, it looks like it belongs there.
Yeah. Not bad, huh?
No, it's good.